Welcome back here to a new video on Punta Cana, all you can see. Welcome back to the Dominican Republic. This is how the Dominican Republic looks away from the beaches and away from the all-inclusive resorts. There's still a lot of nature, rivers, waterfalls, and this is only one of them. And I will show you how to get here, where we are, where you can sleep, what you can do here. Just check out the video. If you're watching for the first time, my name is Angela and I'm running this channel here for everybody that's coming to the Dominican Republic. If it is to vacation here or to live here, there's something for everyone. Check out the playlist and see this video so you know where we are. Let's go. Saltos de la Sabana is a huge property with a lot of nature, some rooms and little houses. It's a great idea to bring the whole family. There's enough space. We left Bavaro and we drove down the highway to Santo Domingo, direction Santo Domingo, passing by La Romana and San Pedro de Marcoris, where we took a turn to drive up to Hato Mayor del Rey. It's around 30 minutes. In Hato Mayor, we turned to the national park. We used Waze again, so you don't really have to search and ask a lot anymore. It's all on the GPS. And then we drove a road that Charlie considers well done, almost like a highway. It's only a little over 40 kilometers, but it took us a while driving here. Stunning nature, very interesting if you want to do the drive. We stopped in Bayaguana for a little snack before we drove on to Saltos de la Sabana. Here we drove without GPS because Charlie knew the way. When we got lost, we were happy to find some signs all over the place that tells you where to turn. You can also ask. If you do not want to drive the highway until San Pedro de Marcoris, you can also go and drive to Higuey. There are two ways to drive there. And then go up as well to Hato Mayor, Bayaguana and Saltos de la Sabana. This is a good spot for everybody traveling as well that wants to make a break on the way. This is if you want to drive only highway, take the highway, direction Santo Domingo until shortly before Santo Domingo, and then take the highway to Samana until the gas station Monte Plata, Cruce Monte Plata. As I said, perfect for travelers, backpackers to have a little stop in the middle of the island for some nature. Make a reservation before you come. This gate is not open. It's only open if they know you're coming or they send someone up to open it. It's a little bit to drive to the parking, so if you're just coming spontaneously, call before, send a WhatsApp, make sure someone is there. You can also to your room at food, dinner and breakfast, and I really recommend it because there is nothing else near unless you want to bring everything. This is where we are staying. It's a wooden house. And Charlie and I, we have a big bed, 2 bunk beds. And as you can see above here, it's all open. You can hear the neighbors. Hola! ¿Cómo están?
Bien.
So here we have a small bathroom. Basic. As you can see, that's our shower here.
Hello, Waller.
Let me see. Yeah. See? There are more rooms over there. So at night, when we cannot sleep, we all can talk. Yeah, because we are in the countryside, we brought our blankets and the sleeping bag because usually at night it still is cooler here than it is in Bavaro, so we wanted to be prepared. On our way down to the river, we stopped at this little house. The door was open and it was somebody was cleaning it, and we sneaked inside to see. It looks small, but have a look at this. A whole big family with grandparents, aunts, children, cousins can stay here. And the houses are close to the river too. And here we see already the first waterfall. A little walk was just what we needed after the hours in the car. It was just perfect for all the kids, the dogs, and for the adults. We walked quite a while, but then had to return because it was getting dark, and we wanted to be back for dinner. There was something for everybody. We had spaghetti, salad, rice, and meat. As well, we had water, Coke, and they have beer here. They only have Presidente, but you probably knew that already. I brought my bottle of wine just in case, and that was a good decision because there was no wine. While we were having dinner, it started to rain, which is just perfect in the countryside. A little thunderstorm in the mountains. The view here is just spectacular day and night. I hope you can see a little bit. There it is raining. So nice. This is the reception. As well, this is a house where we have all the rooms just behind. To the right is the terrace. And it just looks just beautiful. There is a larger restaurant just over here. And then there's an area for kids. They have this trampoline. Also, they have pool tables and they have a pool. Breakfast was all Dominican with mango, that's mashed plantain, salami frito and queso frito, and of course coffee, and well, some Coke. Back to the waterfall, this time in bathing suit, and Shantimi, we hit it off first, going into the cold water and enjoying the waterfalls. thank you for watching here Punta Cana All You Can See. I hope you liked the video, and I hope that some of you will pack the things and go and explore the Dominican Republic. It's beautiful here, wherever you go. If you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel, and I see you here next Friday, the next Punta Cana All You Can See video, something from the Dominican Republic. Let's see where we go.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. La casa del merengue, la y la casa de la bachata. Música, música.